vlog in Puerto Rico? What? That's crazy. Quick little pause on the video. We're gonna be back soon, and we got a lot of stuff to install too. We got front lip installed for the M2. We gotta put the Z back together. We gotta get a new map for the Z for the tune, and a bunch of stuff, bro. Like June, like I come back June 1st. June's gonna be so much content, bro, so much. So stay tuned for that. Get ready for that, because that's gonna be crazy. Guys, look how beautiful this shit is. Bro, it's crazy in Puerto Rico. This is my favorite beach here. We went to, I think like 2 other beaches so far. This is only our 3rd day here, I think. But we're gonna be here for a week. This is my favorite one so far. That's sick.
Like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light.
What is up, guys? Thank you guys for tuning into another video. As you guys can see behind me, there's a big ass box, and you guys know what that means. That means another mod on the M2. This is probably like my favorite mod on the M2 too, so I'm hella excited to get into this. It's actually by the title of the video, you probably already know what it is. It's a front lip for the M2. Can't wait to install it. It's gonna look so sick. That's really what the car is missing. Every M2, bro, needs a front lip. Absolutely needs a front lip. So I need to grab everything I need to install it, and then I'm gonna pick up the camera once I got it. And guys, if you guys are wondering about the Z is getting tuned on the 29th of this month by admin. So that's why it's sitting right there. I have to install the new harness in, haven't installed it yet. I'll probably just throw in the clips that I filmed from another video that I was filming with the Z taking out the harness. I'll probably just throw it in this video because I don't know how long this video is gonna be. But yeah, guys, the Z is gonna be back at the end of the month. It's so weird. I'm used to the camera, but the Z is gonna be back at the end of the month, getting tuned and everything. Is gonna be making more power than it did before. So you guys know we're gonna be in Mexico, and I just can't wait to have that thing back. Alright guys, so first things first, we gotta get this double-sided tape and tape up the front lip all around the holes and everything to make sure that it sticks properly to the underneath of the car, wipe down the underneath of the car, and then we're gonna bolt it together. I know that this double-sided tape is ass, but with the self-taps that we're putting and the bolts, the nut and bolts that we're putting, it should be fine. So I'm just use the double-sided tape that they supplied and get this thing on. I'll pick up the camera again once I have all the double-sided tape all around the front lip ready to go. Alright guys, I got the front lip all taped up, as you guys can see, all the way to the end. Bam! Look at Gojo, look at Gojo. The honor one. But yeah, we got it all taped up. Now I just need to, I'm gonna connect this under the car with the factory bolts, and then I'm also gonna put some self-taps, sorry I can't speak, self-taps, and I'm gonna drill this out right here. See, there's two, right, this one and this one in the front. I'm gonna actually probably like here and here, I'm gonna drill the holes that I need for the 2 nuts and bolts that I'm gonna put to just secure it a little more. But Yeah, it's super light. The brand is Souvenir. I don't know if I said it by the way, but it is a Souvenir front lip. Really simple, really clean. I like simple, guys. You guys see my car, I love simple stuff, love clean stuff. This is gonna hit, trust. It's gonna hit. Damn. That shit looks good. The fitment on the sides is pretty good. It's just in the middle. I was having a fitment issue on this side. This side wasn't really wanting to fit at first. I had to like manipulate it a little bit by force. But yeah, other than that, it looks really fucking good. I like it. Very simple, very clean. It's gonna look better once the car is washed and everything. I got fingerprints all over it and stuff. The car is dirty, but it looks sick. Damn, now the car really needs side skirts. Look, and it has a wing the wing back there. Oh, it looks sick. Hell yeah, brother. Oh man. Alright guys, as you guys can see, the M2 is all cleaned up, so you guys can get a better look at it. It looks sick, bro. I just got up, so I'm feeling kind of tired, but it looks sick, bro. I really can't wait until the side skirts come. And the diffuser, oh my god, it's gonna look sick. And we gotta drop this thing, put some new wheels on it. I can't wait. I need more money, guys. For real. It looks sick though. Like, plays off the rear wing a lot. Looks really nice. Okay, here we go, guys. Now you guys can get a better look at it. We got it in the sun. Carbon fiber is busting. Look at it, bro. It looks so good. I'll give you guys a walk around the front end. Big difference, honestly. Really, really big difference. It's really just missing the side skirts now, bro. It really needs the side skirts, for sure, for sure. But look at the front end, bro. It looks so sick. I love the stout front lip. It's so simple, so clean. It's kind of like the GTS style front lip, but it doesn't come all the way to the end of the front bumper. It just stops kind of like in the front over there. But this one's cool because it goes all the way to the side of the front bumper, right there. Yeah, guys, it looks so good. Super excited for the rest of the parts to come in. Still waiting on the diffuser, still waiting to get side skirts, but it's coming along, guys. Looks so good. It just looks meaner. That's what it is. It looks way meaner. Look at that. And the color, like, I don't know why, but on camera the color of the car is not the same as it is in person. It looks more blue on camera, like a dark blue, but it's actually a really, really light blue. It's the Long Beach blue. I don't know if you guys know, but the BMW Long Beach blue, that's what color the car is. But I don't know, iPhone just doesn't pick it up that well, but it's sick. Woo. If you guys like the content, hit that subscribe button, bro. Greatly appreciated. Comment down below what you guys think of this lip, and if you would run this lip on your M2. Comment down below, guys. Comment down below. But yeah, guys, if you like the video, thumbs up the video. If you like the content, subscribe, bro. Everything. And comment down below if the front lip is a W or L. I think it's a big W, bro. It looks so good. There's no way you can't like it. But yeah, guys, let me know. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Breaks when they on patrol. No way, even last but not to get the stove. No way, not one of you bucket head hoes. No way.